just feel that anybody can wake up and say anything in today's time, and that's what I feel unfortunate. You know, it's just getting more and more difficult to make films in this country. We are very excited about the film. We've been waiting for a while for it, and it's out there. It's great. It's a fun film, and I hope people love it. Well, it's been a kind of long journey. I never wanted to be a cinematographer, but बन गया और फिर एक के बाद एक फिल्में होती गई. But then Ramu ji actually reminded me. He actually told me that I think you'll make a good director. तो वहाँ से आए वापस से कीड़ा आया. फिर मैं स्क्रिप्ट ढूंढ रहा था तो नवजोत मिले मेरे को. उनका आइडिया था एक्चुअली कि एक कैरेक्टर की कहानी जो अमृतसर में एक सर्विस शुरू करता है, रनिंग शादी. फिर हमने उस पर काम किया और वहाँ से हम लोग स्क्रिप्ट लिखी और then तापसी and Amit came into the picture, and then Shujit, we took the film to Shujit, and then there we are. I think it's very unfortunate, you know. I just feel that, even though, of course, we have to respect the judiciary and the decision, but I just feel it's a little unfortunate on a filmmaker where people just turn up at the last sort of, juncture of a release, and then it's almost like you're pushed to a corner. You have to, your release is at stake. So many people's investment is at stake. And whether you end up fighting the case or not, but you just end up being pushed into a corner where you have to just surrender, and just, and I think it's an unfortunate thing. I feel that, I think there is a Supreme Court ruling that, once a censor certificate is given, there should be no threat to stopping a film's release. And I think as a film association and as producers, we should also have some sort of a system where there should be a minimum period that anybody can come up with any objection. Maybe that could be a month before the release, It at least gives us some time to weigh our options, to take a legal route. But it is the way it is, and we respect the judicial order. And we complied with it, and it's unfortunate, but it is what it is. I just feel that anybody can wake up and say anything in today's time, and that's what I feel unfortunate. It's just getting more and more difficult to make films in this country. Everybody has a problem with everything. Then what do we make films on? In my view, honestly, it's a very generic word. .com is not owned by anybody. But देखिए, weakness की बात नहीं है. Everybody has their own things to look out. नहीं, देखिए, प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि बॉलीवुड इज अ वेरी टाइम बाउंड प्रोसेस. जो फिल्म होती है उसकी रिलीज एक टाइम बाउंड चीज़ है. अगर वो उस टाइम पे नहीं होती तो बहुत लोगों का बहुत नुकसान होता है. एंड आई थिंक वही एक चीज़ लोग यूज इट एज अ थ्रेट परसेप्शन. दैट इज समथिंग दैट इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ इमोशनल ब्लैकमेल दैट happens when something like this happens at the last juncture. This should have happened. एक महीने पहले होता तो we would have maybe fought it in a different way. मैं बहुत आई रियली वेलकम दिस डिसीजन बिकॉज आई जस्ट फील कि देखिए, हिंदुस्तान और पाकिस्तान का जो डीएनए, लोगों का डीएनए सेम है. ऑफ कोर्स पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज हैं. पॉलिटिक्स ऑन ईदर साइड डिक्टेट दैट सर्टन डिसीजंस आर टेकन डिप्लोमेसी के लेवल पे. बट एज पीपल, व्हाई शुड वी stop enjoying the things that we love about each other? We love their music, they love our films, and I feel आप कोई भी रिलेशनशिप में आप आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे अगर आप हमेशा पीछे चलते रहे और एक दूसरे की चीज़ें बैन करते रहे? तो ये रिलेशनशिप कैसे आगे बढ़ेगा? ये पीस कैसे आएगा? तो आई फील इट्स अ पॉजिटिव स्टेप. दे हैव टेकन अ स्टेप टू एंजॉय सम ऑफ our things, and I think we should also maybe reciprocate. Thank you.